What is up, guys? It's the Gadget Inspector SA. So this weekend today, I'll be doing a mini tour around Samsung and its home launcher called One UI. I'll be explaining and having some few questions to ask about it, and doing so helps people and consumers to understand what they have and how to use it pleasantly. A lot of people are stuck with home launchers, not knowing their purpose or what they're capable of. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. So what is One UI? Well, One UI is a device launcher developed and originally made by Samsung for Samsung Galaxy devices. It was firstly introduced and announced publicly 2019 with all the S10 devices, which it was based on Android 9, and it was firstly called One UI 1.1 at first. The S10s were the first flagship devices to launch with this UI, and alongside the One UI core for all its mid-range and low-end devices. Its use is to actually help interact with your device at ease without any hesitations. With One UI, Samsung was able to create a Galaxy ecosystem for its consumers, which was a huge success, helping all the consumers to connect seamlessly between their devices. It introduced firstly a unique, well-rounded icon pack. Not only that, but a new feel of a Galaxy device on a consumer's hand. They updated their smart home products to work well with SmartThings, which SmartThings is an app that helps you control all your smart home electronics using the Samsung ecosystem, which that was a smart improvement. Of course, not forgetting One UI's digital well-being and device care apps. They can help you manage your device very well and good. Compared to Samsung Experience or TouchWiz, those software overlays were stopped, and the successor was One UI. It's not only new, but it truly defines what a Samsung device should feel like. Its more rounded icons are very different and impressive compared to the squares you had on TouchWiz or Samsung Experience. It has also allowed its apps to seamlessly work with One UI. Well, this is the 4th generation of One UI, which is based on Android 12 and One UI 3. I can say that was the first perfect One UI compared to the second and the first ones. It actually had an impact in the hardware of the devices Samsung now has. It has now a well-rounded hardware working seamlessly with software as one. So yep, that was my mini brief explaining the importance and the impact of One UI in the tech world. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.